Welcome everyone. Question on chemical bonding. The bond order and magnetic properties of the H2 minus ion are. Choices are A. 1/2 diamagnetic, B. 1/2 paramagnetic, C. 1 paramagnetic, D. 2 diamagnetic. Answer is B. 1/2 paramagnetic. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The electron configuration of the hydrogen atom is 1s1. H2 minus ion is equal to 1 hydrogen atom and 1 H minus ion. Therefore, the H2 minus ion has 1 electron for 1 hydrogen atom plus 2 electrons for 1 H minus ion is equal to 3 electrons. The molecular orbital configuration of the H2 minus ion is sigma 1s bonding 2, sigma 1s antibonding 1. Therefore, the total number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals Nb is equal to 2 and the total number of electrons in the antibonding molecular orbitals Na is equal to 1. We know that bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Now we put the values of Nb and Na in this equation. Therefore, the bond order is equal to 2, which is the value of Nb, minus 1, which is the value of Na, by 2, or bond order is equal to 1/2. So, the bond order of the H2 minus ion is 1/2. Since the H2 minus ion has 1 unpaired electron in the antibonding molecular orbital, it is paramagnetic. Thank you for watching this video.